Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing environmental analysis. Meet Mr. Albert, who works as a strategic development manager for a global retail company. For the most part, the company sells confectioneries, with a particular focus on chocolates. They have stores in 10 countries and they operate in more than 5,000 locations worldwide. With slipping sales and a rapidly changing global market, the team is tasked with keeping the company afloat. The SDM of the company addresses the issue to his team. Over to Mr. Albert, the Strategic Development Manager.
Hello everyone. As you are aware, our company operates in more than 10 countries and the sales are slipping gradually. So, to retain our market, we need to increase our sales. Businesses are greatly influenced by their environment. All the situational factors which determine day-to-day circumstances impact firms. So, businesses must constantly analyze the trade environment and the market. There are many strategic analysis tools that a firm can use. The most used detailed analysis of the environment is the PESTEL analysis. A PESTEL analysis is a framework, or tool used to analyze and monitor the macro-environmental factors that may have a profound impact on an organization's performance. This tool is especially useful when starting a new business or entering a foreign market. PESTEL stands for political, economical, social, technological, environmental, and legal. Let's now look at each of those factors in detail. Political factors. These factors are all about how, and to what degree, a government intervenes in the economy, or a certain industry. Basically, all the influences that a government has on your business could be classified here. This can include government policy, political stability, or instability, corruption, foreign trade policy, tax policy, labor law, environmental law and trade restrictions. Furthermore, the government may have a profound impact on a nation's education system, infrastructure and health regulations. These are all factors that need to be taken into account when assessing the attractiveness of a potential market. Economic factors. Economic factors are determinants of a certain economy's performance. Factors include economic growth, exchange rates, inflation rates, interest rates, disposable income of consumers, and unemployment rates. These factors may have a direct or indirect long-term impact on a company, since it affects the purchasing power of consumers and could possibly change demand or supply models in the economy. Consequently, it also affects the way companies price their products and services. Factors include economic growth, interest rates, exchange rates, inflation, disposable income of consumers and businesses and so on. Social factors. Also known as sociocultural factors, these are the areas that involve the shared belief and attitudes of the population. These factors include population growth, age distribution, health consciousness, career attitudes and so on. These factors are of particular interest as they have a direct effect on how marketers understand customers and what drives them. Technological factors. We all know how fast the technological landscape changes and how this impacts the way we market our products. Technological factors affect marketing and the management thereof in 3 distinct ways. 1. New ways of producing goods and services. 2. New ways of distributing goods and services. 3. New ways of communicating with target markets. Environmental factors. These factors have only really come to the forefront in the last 15 years or so. They have become important due to the increasing scarcity of raw materials, pollution targets, doing business as an ethical and sustainable company, carbon footprint targets set by governments. This is a good example where one factor could be classed as political and environmental at the same time. These are just some of the issues marketers are facing within this factor. More and more consumers are demanding that the products they buy are sourced ethically, and if possible from a sustainable source. Legal factors. Legal factors include health and safety, equal opportunities, advertising standards, consumer rights and laws, product labeling and product safety. It is clear that companies need to know what is and what is not legal in order to trade successfully. If an organization trades globally, this becomes a very tricky area to get right as each country has its own set of rules and regulations. So, let's gear up, apply the PESTEL analysis, and have a check over the declining sales. Thank you.